Hey all, this is CeoTrades, where money works for you. Today we're looking at how do you transfer money from your Cashapp to Bitcoin address. Well, let's look at it very simply. It takes a few steps. You see at the bottom right here, you have a little house, credit card, money sign. You have a graph and a B in a circle, and you have a time stamp right there. But you're going to click this one with the B. Right there, once you click that, it gives you stocks and Bitcoin. If you click stocks, you'll see stocks. You can invest in different stocks through Cash App. That's wonderful. But you can also invest in Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, but you can send Bitcoin to another Bitcoin address. So you'll click that, and for the first time when it happens, you'll see close at the bottom. The middle one for the first time will tell you if you want to set it up, and that's the one you want to click for the first time. And once it's set up, then you'll get these two options: deposit Bitcoin or send Bitcoin. In this case, we're going to send $53 worth. Right here it says $53, which is 0.001 Bitcoin. You'll click send, and this screen will come up right here. And when the screen comes up, you'll need to put a BTC address right in here, which is an external address. And let's go to CoinPro to show you how that works. And pretty much for all the different applications, they work very similar. This is Coinbase Pro coming up right here as we get ready to show you how this is going to happen. You'll see at the bottom right here, it has a little timestamp and it goes into your portfolio. Deposit. You want to deposit into your BTC. Make sure it says BTC, because if it doesn't say BTC, you're going to run into a lot of problems. You might lose your money. Crypto address is one of the options, deposit, or Coinbase.com. You want a crypto address. Once you have the crypto address, it tells you only send Bitcoin to this address. Sending any other currency like Bitcoin Cash will result in permanent loss. You got to be really, really careful how you do this. I understand is you've got to click, and then here it says default portfolio, how much I have currently. That's a QR code, and here's the wallet address. So you click on that right here to the right where it says copy to the clipboard, and it's copied, and then you go back to Cash App, and in Cash App you click at the top here and you hold and you paste the address, and then you click this blue one right here just to make sure it takes in. This should turn gray, and then once you click this next button, it will send the money to your account in Coinbase Pro, Bitmart, in any of the other apps, KuCoin, and so on. So Gemini as well. Whatever it is that you're trying to send to, except for those that don't have addresses for Bitcoin like Robinhood. So just be very well aware of that. So this is it. This is CeoTrades signing off, where money works for you. So it will take anywhere from 1 minute to 2 to 3 hours, depending on the app. Some apps are quicker, some apps are not as quick. Coinbase Pro took me, I think it was 5 minutes to transfer it. Have a good one.